Golden Cycles.
It's like on one feet.
And we'll take this out first.
Oh.
Hold that. Take your seat. Okay, you're smashing my feet.
Oh, start getting it on the side.
You're supposed to smash my feet.
Just don't pay attention. Hold it.
Wheels.
Oh my gosh, those are so purple.
And the tires come pumped up.
Good.
Yeah. I like these tires on here. They look nice.
There's something else in there.
Probably your pedals.
Thanks.
This bike's nice.
Oh my gosh. Where's my straps? Oh, there, yeah. These are like that grape soda purple.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. I mean, I guess they'll match.
This is nice. The scissors are on the table, I think. Or they're outside. Anything else in here?
Right
No.
there. You see?
Why, you want to scratch your stuff up?
No. Ah, my toes, my toes. There's a wheel. Where's that nose, Frankie?
We have taken objective Hector.
Wow. You know, we're called aluminum.
What?
The rear cog is aluminum. Like, polished aluminum. Never seen one like that. Mine are usually black. And you have the wheel tighteners like that. That's nice. Chain tensioner.
I have no idea what
That's
it's
really
called.
nice. This, you loosen up these bolts, and then you tighten this up right here. And then it makes your chain tighter. Paul's on his way.
Paul's coming.
Yeah.
God, I'm never gonna get a damn nap.
Why? Paul's quiet usually. Wow, and you got nice brakes on here
Oh,
too. Look at that.
Even I
Like,
want to go for a ride.
quick release or adjustable. Damn, that's nice. You got back brakes, so that's even better.
Ow.
Careful. Jeez.
Oh, it's connected.
I wonder if they gave you tools like Paul's bike.
I don't know, whatever's in that box. I'm sure.
Should be pedals in this. Wow, nice. Oh, nice.
What?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I wonder if I should have got the black one. I should have got the all black.
Got little cheap pedals.
Babe, this bike's gonna be super short. Do you see how short this bike is?
It's like perfect height for you.
It's so small.
You're small. So it's perfect.
Then until I start weighing 200 fucking pounds. Shit.
Yeah. Till then.
So then I'll have to put it in the damn garage. Fucking start rusting.
Comes with some little tools. Like tools like Paul's bike too.
Huh?
Comes with tools like Paul's bike.
Yeah, I want to keep my tools.
Yeah. That's all you need right here. 2 little simple tools. Let's see what's in this box. Oh, front brakes. Wow.
Front brakes?
Oh yeah.
Oh, well, might as well hook all the brakes up then.
I just leave the back ones on. You don't really want to mess with front brakes.
Oh, you have to keep them all apart, don't you?
No. You might flip over if you squeeze them too hard.
The front brakes?
Yeah.
That's why you put both of them on together.
Back one's already in there.
Yeah, but that's why you squeeze them both at the same time.
Like this bike.
What's this do? Why is that right there?
So I was just telling you.
This little screw?
Talking about.
That little screw?
Yes, you loosen these 2 up. And then you tighten one side. And then you tighten the other side. Like it has to be adjusted already.
So these come
And
off?
it's to keep the chain tight.
How do you get these off?
Slide them off.
Probably not sliding.
Alright, grab the other stuff for the bike.
Oh, I gotta take this up here off.
I like how your brakes are made.
Huh? Am I lit?
Brakes are made like this. You don't even slide it over. You just fold it over and then you tighten the bolt on there. There's a little hinge on it.
Oh, what's this? Airpin.
Alright, what?
Put my bicycle together.
You put it together.
Babe, I don't know how to put a damn bicycle together.
Well, you're gonna learn.
If I knew I was gonna put it together, I would never got it.
Wow.
Yeah, you definitely have a new seat. Oh, look at that. It's got a bear on it.
That's
Looks
cool.
just like that emblem.
That's soft too. That's nice.
That
Feels
emblem
good.
right there looks just like that.
Let me see the bottom of it.
I'm gonna try it out.
Okay.
I think this is a girl's one.
It's a girl's bike. So
Yeah, but this doesn't go like all the way out like yours does. What's this?
so you can slide it back and forth. And then you remember where you marked it. So you can adjust it to how you like. Alright. Right there on the table.
Oh, you just squeeze it. Oh. Should I put that on there first?
Yeah, put that on there.
What the fuck is this thing? I don't know how this goes on. Do these things go in the front or in the back? What is that?
That's to keep your wheel in there. No, I'm not. We're doing
Babe, I
this
don't know
together.
how to put it on there.
Well, this is why you do things, so you learn. So crazy.
There you go.
You gonna ruin the wheel?
Yeah. It's gonna get scratched. I was planning on keeping those on there.
The tire?
Yeah.
The tire is gonna get
Just
scratched?
kidding.
Oh my god.
It's gonna go on there. How do you know which way it goes?
I don't think it really matters with this tread.
Oh.
I don't know why they give you these little locks. You don't even have. Wow, be careful. You don't
Yeah.
scratch it. Alright, put it down.
Oh, I guess that's not. The front wheel must be bigger than the back wheel. It's more up.
No, it's the same.
Is it?
This bike might even be too tall for you.
You think so? I feel like it's as tall as your bike.
I really don't think you need these.
What? Just put them on there.
Wait, what?
Both
They
be-
go on the inside. Now there's one reach up there.
Okay.
Alright, put it down. Let me see something. Go ahead, drop it.
Is it on?
Yeah, but that doesn't reach up there.
What?
It doesn't reach.
What do you mean?
Alright, take it back off. Lift it up.
Oh, it's supposed to reach that line?
I don't even really think you need these on there.
Wait, why don't you just measure it?
You don't. They're not gonna reach.
Holy cow. Maybe you just put them on there.
Why is that thing so far up?
We'll put them on here for just safekeeping, I guess. No, I'm not gonna put those on. Alright.
Look, this thing even has a little emblem on it too. That little bear on it. Look. I'm riding backwards. Look, and I have 2 water bottle things.
Uh-huh. Alright, stand over it. See how it is.
Oh yeah, my seat's gonna have to be all the way down.
No, it's not.
Holy cow.
It goes from where your feet are on the pedal.
Yeah. Holy cow.
It goes from where your feet are on the pedal. Like when you're on the pedals.
I feel like
Drop it,
it's
please.
crotch. At least you have a new bike if it doesn't work out for me. At least you can ride my bike too.
Alright, go get your little Allen key thing.
This one?
Yep. Loosen that up. Okay, come on.
I love these.
Oh, they even gave you spacers. What? We're loosening up the wrong thing.
I'm so tired, man.
Alright, grab your handlebars. Where's the screwdriver?
What's good,
The screwdriver.
I don't want one.
Scissors.
Yeah, it can come with one.
I know that. We have screwdrivers. We need Allen keys to take this out, so do you have any more Allen keys? Whatever. Big screwdriver, that's gonna be crooked then.
What do you need a screwdriver?
I just told you to make that straight. That bear, the emblem.
Oh, don't worry about emblem.
Alright, there you go. Put on your pedals.
Okay, I have to sit down.
You spin one side, the left pedal is righty tighty, and then the other side is you spin it left and it tightens it.
Why is it so weird? I got those cheap pedals. They're kind of nice. And they smell now.
Yeah, spin the other part. That part. Otherwise, you'll just be sitting there spinning it all day.
Are you sure?
100% positive.
How to get it in there?
Make sure that's the right pedal.
How do I know it's the right pedal?
It's going to be labeled L and R
Where?
on the pedal. Right there. And on the back side, it should be on there then.
Oh, it's right here. What is this, the left side?
Does it say L on it? And then they're straight. Yeah, spin it the other way. The other way.
Oh, I can't. It's like hard. Isn't that what this thing's for? Where's it go? Isn't that what this is for?
Mhm.
Didn't Paul already come with the? It came with the things on it.
Mhm.
His pedals came. Can I tighten it as tight?
Yeah.
Worried about the other one on. Yeah, they're cool. Too much shit on the floor, dude. Why do you have fucking clean? Okay, you don't. Okay, fucking heard you. Cool. Golden bicycles. Damn, I should have got the black one. It looks so much cleaner. Okay. It's on there. Maybe should I do that? Maybe, yeah. Seriously?
What? Why are you always complaining?
What?
I'm not gonna fucking put this on YouTube.
What happened? You fucked it up? Swear the dishes are never clean.
Okay.
Done?
the most part.
What's in my burrito? My burrito. Since you're so Mexican. And you love Cujo.